Let's see how to get into iPad if you forgot your password. In the first step, open Settings. Next, tap Face ID and Passcode. Later, choose Change Passcode. In the next step, tap Forgot Passcode. Now select Use Existing Passcode. Now follow the given steps. In the next step, use a computer with iTunes open. Now plug the iPad with a USB wire. Later, press on the device logo. In the next step, tap Summary. After that, pick Restore Backup. Next, select the most recent backup. In the next step, press Set up iPad. Then choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Now log in with Apple ID. You are good to go.